In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw Plankton from SpongeBob, and I'll show you how you can color this drawing at the end of the video. So stay until the end, because today's content is awesome. Hey artists, I'm Ledy, and in this video, we're going to draw Plankton. I'll show you a few lines, and you just need to copy them to form the drawing. And don't forget to leave your like, it helps the channel a lot. Let's start by drawing the eyes. Then the eyebrows. Now comes the mouth. Now the teeth. Add a detail. And we can draw the head. Then the antennas. We can already do the body. And let's draw the legs. Now, the arm. And the other arm. Add some details. Let's color the eyes. The eyebrows. The body, the antennas, And don't forget, you can request a drawing right here in the comments. Your likes and subscriptions go a long way in helping the channel grow, and they inspire me to keep creating even more videos for you. Thank you so much for your amazing support. That's it for now. Catch you in the next video.